good. Hey, Jeff! Jasper, why are you up? You're crazy, Jasper. Why? Why? This is so fun. Dad, we're going too much too side.
Give us a smile, Jasper. Smile, Jasper.
No, Dad, I want to go on the pavement. Daddy, let's go on the pavement.
Hey, front seat driver, give us a smile. Where are we going?
There's a car.
Does anybody know where we are?
Ocean City.
Right.
Yay! You're crazy, Jasper. No, I'm not. I'm just tiny. Woo. Dad, go onto the pavement.
All right, Sam, you want to?
Yeah.
Oh,
Break.
go to the end of the pavement.
Break.